Okay, so the oil spill patch here. If you've not got me on Instagram, you wouldn't know that the gearbox did just recently blow up. But then we changed the gearbox. It lasted 4 days, and then it lasted 4 days, and then it went again. So there's the CRX, there's the patch, and I'll move the video that way. And over here is like pictures and videos or whatever of the explosion. So, like I say, the diff pin gave up or whatever, and the planet gears ended up exiting the vehicle via the gearbox casing. Sorry about it if the sound quality is bad. For some reason my mic's not connecting to my phone, so now I'm doing it off the phone. Whatevs. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've not got me on Instagram so you can keep up with some of the stuff, because I don't really do enough YouTube, I don't get time. Yeah, just please follow me, it's Rory Revs, and the same for TikTok, but I do swear a lot on TikTok, so just be wary of that. Anyway, take care, thanks for watching. Oh, I love it. Look at the tyres on it. Little clubby. Lovely bit there. We've got a little Austin 7 over here called Dobby. Check this out. He's got his map layout ready to go. It's Matt with his trailer, and he's got his MR2. And over here, he's got the 2 Yaris's, and the black one here was Courtney's first car. And obviously you can see the cheeky little CRX over there as well, little MX-5, and you know, there's a mixture of stuff here. We're in the only CRX as usual, but hope you enjoyed the video. There's the little micros that you can hire for £10. That's £10. 10 Great British Pound. Oh my god, look at that. Porsche. Wow. Wow. You're amazing. But yeah, so basically today we're just going to be going in and out of the cones. You can see everyone in the background doing their walks in and out of the cones to get used to the oh, it's interesting. It's the disabled driver one. Oh, that's amazing. Nice colour as well. But yeah, normally you rent one of these micros. I'll say they bring them here, so you literally just pay a tenner and use their one. To be fair, there's 2 more there. So yes, it's good fun. This is so the says the Sporting Car Club of Norfolk, SCON as they call it. There's a little trailer over there. So, and everyone's doing their walkarounds at the minute. We're about to go and get in the CRX. I'm number 9, Courtney's number 31, something like that. And so I'm going to put the cameras on the car and just document it for you guys. Right, look good for you. Hello. Don't know. No. Okay. Right. I just want to check that they're going to miss the cones. Yep. Cool. Right, ready?
Whenever you're ready.
Ready, steady, go. Oh no! I might have got a bit lost. Typical.
Yeah. You came back here, you went the wrong side of that one. didn't you? You
What a
went, oh,
pleb.
you did that one, but then you went there, didn't you?
Yeah, because I was like, hold on.
So you
I went the wrong way at the end. Fucking hell, it's hard. This one's moving harder. So I need to come out of here, back on yourself, round the cone, slalom, slalom, slalom till 8, round 8, up to 9, roundabout. Oh no, he's done it. Oh no, it's that one. Didn't you have holes drilled in the airbox or something?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Probably rather get that up now, to be fair.
Have your ticket, please. Thank you.
Lovely. Right, ready?
Round going work, and then and then slalom into all of these.
And then what? There's that way, innit?
We'll go round 8. And then
What? I did go round 8.
Oh, was that 10?
Are you not watching?
round 10. Into the 11.
And then in.
Yep, round it. Then round 14. Up to 15.
And then in.
Yep,
Through the cone. What, round this one?
yep.
And then 26.
And then finish.
Get some mist up at the top.
Yeah, you did a wrong test on 17 and 18.
No worries.
Yeah.
Having it, wagwan. Right, we're on the second half now of the day, and everyone's having a go. Sorry, I'm about to watch this Mini go round because he's pretty fast. I think it's the quickest car of the day, to be fair. He's got dirt tyres on the front of it. And yeah, there's a little CRX over there. I tell you what, semi-slick's not ideal for the grass, to tell you that much. But earlier, there was one of my times that he said was like 3rd place or something, so if I can get a podium finish with semi-slick tyres, I'll take that as a win. And also, the suspension is absolutely solid. If you haven't seen that video in the past, if you haven't seen the video in the past of the CRX's suspension overhaul, please go and check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. And that's how it's done. Awesome.
Back it up, Tezza.
that's not good. The Yaris to go. So you get a wide range of cars here, even the Austin 7 going around. But it's going to be Courtney's go now once all these go. It's typical really, look, Micro, Yaris, Micro, Yaris, Micro, CRX, Micro, what? Yes! What was it, 56.1? Oh, that's alright. I don't think that's far off for me. Thank you. That's fucking good time. Hi mate. Oh, he's going to chat to that fella.
I've improved a lot each time, that's good.
Yeah. Well, like, obviously you're being more like gentle with me. You're
yeah, because there's so many ruts and it sounds so bad. Yeah.
Obviously I've been down full bore, but it's 5 seconds off. But to be
5
honest,
seconds off you?
yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, but I was going mental. But you was going pretty fast. But I was obviously going.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but I never drive as hard as you. It's not mine.
Yeah, that's well good.
Right round, Terry. God's sake.
Right, so that's the last go for me for the day now. It's been a really good day out actually with Scon. turns out semi-slick tyres are definitely not the one. At one point I think I was third on one of the courses, but I don't think I'm going to be as competitive now because I just haven't got the grip, to be fair, and the not having power steering is a pain. As you can see in the video, I'm like, ugh, as you'll see again in a minute, but this is my last run now, so I'll try my best. So I hope you're enjoying the video. If you do like it, please like, comment and subscribe to the Rory Revs channel. I'm putting sunglasses on because the grass keeps going in my eyes. No, the grass keeps going in my eyes. Right, ready? It's the grass keeps going in my eyes. Right. How's that? Oh, sorry. That's a good improvement. There's no way I could do faster than that. Thought I'd do a bit of showboating at the top. Right, so that's the end of the video. As you can see, I come third place overall throughout the day, morning and afternoon, so consistently on the podium, so I'm happy with that. And the little CRX done well. The gearbox is a bit iffy at the minute, a bit whiny, and a lot of knocking. Courtney come 8th in the morning and afternoon as well, so we're both consistent. And yeah, the CRX done really well, actually, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. But anyway, love you, bye. So after all that hard work, coming third and 8th place, CRX is now stuck in 5th gear, just as we left Snetterton. I can't get it out of 5th gear, so we're trying to limp it back to the workshop to go and find out what's wrong with it. There were some whirring noises in the morning, and obviously we've abused it for the day, as you've seen. Now it's stuck in 5th gear.
Will we make it back? Find out.
Oh dear.